How to delete WhatsApp backup from Gmail or Google Drive. So I'm going to show you my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. Okay. So in this video tutorial, we're going to learn how you can find your WhatsApp backup in Google Drive and how you can delete it. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, I am on my Android phone. So first we have to open Google Drive application. So open the Google Drive. Okay. So I just open my Google Drive here. Now you have to log in with this email ID which you have attached in your WhatsApp. So I have login with this email ID, or you can switch your email ID just by clicking on, or you can add new email ID from here. Okay. So let's come back, and now you have to click this three line option here and go to the backups. You will find your WhatsApp backup if you backup your WhatsApp on this email ID. So this is your WhatsApp backup. Last backup, you can see there, this is a date. So just click on three dot and delete it. Okay, you can turn off backup also, but you can delete it. Just click on it, it will be delete. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.